problem states that we need to evaluate this problem. So what we are going to do is using the fractional indices rule. This basically is a rule that will help us to give an answer to this in an easiest way. The first thing we need to do is know that this will pass to an root. So our root will be something like this. This because our denominator here will turn into our index. Our whole number here will change to our radicand. And finally, our exponent here is the numerator that we have previously. And that's it, how you turn this into this, and we now can solve it in an easiest way. The next step we need to do is solving 27 exponent 2, which basically is 729. This is the result of that, and we again are putting it in the same way. But as we solve this, it will be just the index, and now we don't have the exponent as we already solved it. Finally, doing this will give us an answer of 9. And that's it. This is our answer. To solve this problem, what we need to take in account is the coefficient inside bracket rule. This rule basically told us that everything that is here in the bracket is going to be affected by this exponent. We can represent that as 10 exponent 2 multiplied by a3 exponent 2. And we now can see that both of these parts that we're here connected and we separated are being affected by the 2. Then we can operate this in an easier way. The first thing, and I prefer to start by here, which will be as a result of 100. So we have this. Then continuing, we have to turn this in a simplest way, which will be 100 times a 6. And you're wondering why a 6? This is because we have two exponents here. When that happens, those are going to be multiplied, which will mean that we have 3 times 2, and that is 6. And this is why we can see that that 6 is represented right here. Now, finally, to have an answer to that, as we don't have a specific number here, we just put them together. So 106, and that's our result. I hope you understand very well.